Morel Mania, forage, cook, and feast. Mushroom lovers. Ready to unlock the secrets of the elusive morel? We're diving into the woods and the kitchen to celebrate this culinary treasure. Morels are the rock stars of the mushroom world, but proper ID is key. Look for a sponge-like cap with pits and ridges, attached to a hollow stem. Remember, always cross-reference with a reliable field guide and never consume anything you're not 100% sure about. Safety first. When you find morels, harvest responsibly. Cut the stem near the base to leave the mycelium intact, ensuring future growth. Spread the spores. Gently tap the morels to release spores as you walk, helping them colonize new areas. Morels have a unique, earthy flavor that elevates any dish. Clean them gently with a brush and a damp cloth. Sautéed morels with butter and garlic are a classic for a reason. Or try them in pasta, risotto, or even on pizza. The possibilities are endless. Ready to embark on your own morel adventure? Subscribe for more foraging tips and delicious recipes. Share your morel finds in the comments below, we can't wait to see what you discover.